Welcome to Snappy's production. Iran. Iran, also known as Persia, is a country located in the Middle East with a rich history and culture dating back thousands of years. Iran is bordered by Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Iran is a country with a diverse population, with the majority of its people speaking Persian and practicing Shia Islam. The history of Iran dates back to the Persian Empire, which was one of the most powerful empires in the world. The empire was known for its impressive architecture, literature, and art, including the famous Cyrus Cylinder, considered by many as the world's first declaration of human rights. Iran was invaded by various empires throughout history, including Alexander the Great, the Mongols, and the Arab Caliphate. In the 20th century, Iran became a constitutional monarchy, and then a republic after the Iranian Revolution in 1979. Iran's economy is largely based on its vast oil reserves, as well as other industries such as agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. However, economic sanctions imposed by the United States and other countries have had a significant impact on Iran's economy in recent years. Iran has been seeking to diversify its economy and reduce its reliance on oil exports. Iran is a country with a rich culture, with a deep tradition of literature, art, and music. Persian literature, including poetry by figures such as Rumi and Hafez, is world-renowned. Iranian cinema is also highly regarded, with directors such as Abbas Kiarostami and Asghar Farhadi winning international acclaim. Iran is home to many historical and cultural landmarks, including the ancient city of Persepolis, the Jame Mosque of Isfahan, and the Golestan Palace. The country's architecture, including its iconic blue-tiled mosques, is a testament to its rich history and culture. Iran is known for its strategic location and its important role in regional and global politics. The country is a major player in the Middle East, with a large military and significant influence in neighboring countries such as Iraq, Syria, and Lebanon. Iran is also a member of the United Nations and other international organizations. Despite its many achievements, Iran has faced significant challenges in recent years. The country's political system has been criticized for being undemocratic, with limited freedom of speech and political dissent. Human rights abuses, including discrimination against ethnic and religious minorities, have also been a concern. Iran has been involved in several conflicts in the region, including the ongoing war in Syria and the conflict in Yemen. Iran's relationship with the United States has been strained for decades, with both countries engaging in economic sanctions and political tensions. In conclusion, Iran is a country with a rich history and culture, with a diverse population and a strategic location in the Middle East. Despite its many challenges, Iran has made significant contributions to literature, art, and cinema, and continues to play an important role in regional and global politics. As Iran continues to navigate the complex challenges it faces, its cultural and historical legacy will remain an important part of its identity.